Oh, well, hey guys, what's up? I'm really excited you could drop in today. Because I want to show you what I'm working on. Alright, so we've pretty much got all of the flood damage reversed. The only thing I need to do now is go ahead and top off the fluids in the engine and trans, and a little bit more cleaning underneath the car. Other than that, pretty much good. Now, when I made those janky looking radiator supports before No Name Nationals, that was a last second thing just to get the car running so we could make the race. Reverted back to my MIG. I made some very janky looking radiator brackets to get the radiator mounted. That will be fixed later on. Honestly, I just really need this thing running so we can get it to the track. Now I've got some time. I'm going to go ahead and make some more permanent style ones. Some that's going to look a lot better. It's going to be a lot stronger. Yeah, let's get started on that. All right, so obviously first things first, I had to go ahead and mock up the radiator. Go ahead and get it set up here. Get the pops and everything on. That way I could get some measurements and all that good stuff. Now, I had some aluminum laying around and I thought this might make a pretty good bracket. Let's see what we can do with it. And of course, make sure you guys don't forget the most important thing, your safety equipment. Okay guys, so I've got my pieces cut out and they're going to be fitting pretty good, but I'm going to need to do a little bit of trimming so that way I can make this fit perfectly around the fan shroud. So I'm going to grab a fabricator's best friend. No, not money. I don't have any of that. Cardboard. Talking about cardboard. Then, of course, it's time for some more cutting. Oh, there you go, guys. It's not welded on yet because I completely forgot that my welder is out in the big garage and Reaper's technically immobile right now. So I'll just zip tie it up for now, and then as soon as the engine is able to fire up, you know, and everything, then I'll drive it over there and I'll finish welding it on. But as you can see, there is my temporary radiator support. I think it turned out pretty nice for a quick temporary setup. And the reason I say temporary is because I'm planning on getting a different radiator, and then it'll be mounted in the trunk, kind of like a drift car setup or like a Le Mans car setup. So radiator will be going to the trunk hopefully by this time next year. So again, this is just a temporary setup, but I figure it looks good enough. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned because next I'm going to be upgrading the stock fuel pump over to a Hellcat fuel pump. So that way we don't have any worries about lack of fuel demand with the little bit of extra horsepower that I'm going to be adding to it here soon. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you later.